Alright, so we are recording here at 8102 7th Avenue Southwest. Date is August 30th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the ABS 4-inch cleanout in the back of the home. I have pushed the camera about 208 feet, it looks like, all the way down the line from, this is all the camera I've got, from this cleanout all the way down the hill towards the 6th Avenue Southwest, which is the street below us, which is where this sewer finally hits the main. I can't get all the way to the main with this camera, it's not long enough, but I've got it all the way down past where we excavated and repaired a section, or Bob Oates excavated and repaired a section of failing concrete line. We're sitting down in SDR 35 right now. We're going to pull back through this SDR 35 PVC that was already existing before the Bob Oates project started. And then we'll get a look at the line coming all the way back up this hill. So I'm going to back up the hill. There's that SDR 35 plastic. And we're going to come right into the Bob Oates PVC repair. I'm going to do some lining work here coming up this week or next. So you're going to see a section of original concrete pipe here as we come back out. That will be lined next or this week or next week as part of finishing up this Bob Oates repair project. So there's a short stretch of that concrete, existing concrete line before we come back into the existing some sort of plastic. I don't know if this is an HDPE or ABS plastic line, but there's a long stretch of this ABS plastic or some sort of plastic coming back up the hill.
In need of entertainment.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
I keep telling everybody that our house got an enema. Are you gross? Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. Putting that huge tube, which is a can, has a camera in, and then all the pipes in the seat as it goes forward.
We're coming back right now.
Yeah. Coming through all the pipes.
Up the big hill.
Is it just hard to pull it when the...
Yeah, it's just a long ways down.
Yeah, the pipes do look really clean.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Yeah, it does.
That's what we're looking for.
At the bottom of the pipe does this way. That's how it had that.
Yeah, into the... That's where all of our poop goes down. It's like a big, huge, like an adventure playland. Whee! Like a roller coaster for our poop.
Exactly what it is.
That's probably what the poop even does when it goes down the pipe. Hooray! What a fun time! Yeah. You guys ever clean this thing? Like your tube?
The camera?
Yeah.
I mean, hose it down. It goes down 4 or 5 sewers a day, so there's not a whole lot of sense in cleaning it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What's the grossest thing you've ever, like...
I went to an apartment building one time that probably had like 3 feet of sewage in the basement laundry room, and there was just like floating poop floating around in their laundry room. It's pretty gross.
What do you do for that? Just besides burn the building down?
Yeah.
I'd be like, nope, this is a lost cause. Time to light a match.
Coming back now.
I don't know how I recover from that. Remember the one time in backed up. At our old house, we were in one of those townhouses, and our house was the last one before all of the first units before it goes to the sewer. And so we got a lot of backups. The one time it got really bad.
Oh, we've got a check valve here.
A
couple feet in.
Water. It started backing up the bathtub.
There's the check valve. And up out of the clean out, there's our clean out we made the recording from.